In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to EQ Spotify. If you want your playlist to sound clearer, punchier, or simply more tailored to your ears, the built-in equalizer is the quickest way to do it. We'll walk through turning it on, picking a preset, and if you want, customizing it by hand. First, open the Spotify app on your device. Make sure you're on the home screen so navigation is straightforward. Next, head into your settings. Tap your profile icon in the top corner, then open Settings and Privacy. This is where Spotify keeps all the playback and audio options we'll need. Now scroll down until you see Playback and tap it. Playback controls how your audio behaves, and inside you'll find the option we're after, Open Equalizer. This brings up Spotify's EQ panel. By default, it may be off, which means you're hearing a flat, unadjusted sound. Turn the equalizer on by toggling the switch. As soon as it's on, the curve and sliders become active, and your music will immediately reflect any changes you make. If you prefer a quick, no-fuss setup, choose a preset. Presets are ready-made EQ curves tuned for different styles. You can pick options like bass booster for a stronger low end, bass reducer to tone down boominess, classical for a more balanced, natural profile, dance or electronic for extra energy, hip hop to emphasize rhythm and low frequencies, or flat to return to the default sound. Try a song you know well and switch between presets to hear the difference. The best choice is the one that sounds right to you. If you want more control, customize manually. Drag the white dots or sliders to shape the sound. The left side controls bass, which affects kick drums and deep notes. The middle handles the mid-range, where most vocals and instruments live. The right side adjusts treble, adding detail and brightness. Small, gradual moves usually work best. If the sound gets harsh or distorted, back off the boost or slightly reduce a nearby band. Here are quick pointers to guide your ear. For bass-heavy music, gently increase the lower frequencies. For clearer vocals, lift the mid-range a touch. For a brighter, crisper feel, raise the treble modestly. Remember, less is more. Subtle adjustments often deliver the most natural results. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Spotify tips and tutorials.